So this is how I understand this Saturday morning psyop that is coursing through the alleged news outlets is that the girls were supposed to go to China as loans, but China's worried they're going to have to deal bad loans because some of those girls aren't going to perform, right? And Russia arrested a governor accused of murdering businessmen. So are they pissed because they're not getting the delivery on their prostitution syndicate? Because let me tell you how this flips is we got at least a current and a former governor right here and another former governor a little further north that very well could be in that position as far as I'm concerned. Governors that murdered businessmen. And so the entire town turns out to say we want our murdering governor back. Sometimes you have to say no, I suppose. Just say no. I don't know what to say about these loans. Maybe China could do better accounting and understand what a capital outlay process is.